question that every parents have when their baby is ready for solid or has just started solid food is what are the best food to offer to your babies? Hello mommies and daddies, welcome back to my channel Mom and Baby. Before we get actually started, I would like to thank you to all of you for your like, share, comment and subscribe, because it is very important for our engagement and actually getting our word out and bringing our content to the new people. If you are watching me for the first time or haven't subscribed our channel yet, I would like to highly request to subscribe our channel and join our Mom and Baby family. There are wide variety of food that you can introduce to your babies who are 6 to 8 months of old, which is also known as the first stage of the solid food. For the first food, I have categorized into 4 categories such as fruits, vegetables, grains, and meat and poultry. In this video, I am going to share with you the best first fruits that you can prepare at home and introduce to your baby. I will be sharing with you the tips and all the benefits of the fruits at the end of this video, so please keep watching until the end of this video. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. In order to prepare fruit puree for 6 to 8 months old baby, today I have taken apple, avocado, banana, pear and plums. These fruits are the best first foods or fruits that you can introduce to your baby. The equipments you will need in order to prepare the puree from these fruits are peeler, fork, knife, water, pan, mixer or blender and a masher. First of all, let's make the puree of apple. Before you make the puree of apple, you need to peel the apple, because at this point of time it is slightly difficult for the babies to digest the skin. Now cut the apple into small pieces. Remember to take off the seeds of the apple. Now turn the heat on into the medium flame and put the apple into the pan and add some water into the pan and cover the pan with the lid and leave it to steam or boil for 10 to 12 minutes or until it gets soft. Normally, the apple is hard fruit in nature, therefore you need to soften it before making the puree. So you need to steam it in the little bit of water. It's already about 10 minutes, so next step is to check whether the apple has softened or not. And the way to check is use the fork, and if the fork easily gets inside of the piece of the apple, which means it has softened, meaning apple is ready for puree. Now transfer the apple in the bowl for cooling for a couple of minutes. Then again transfer the apple in the mixer and blend it to a fine puree. You can even use hand blender for this process. If you think the consistency is, then you can add some boiled water or the baby's usual milk so that it can be in a thin consistency as your baby is having for the first time. Now just pour the puree in the bowl and check if there is any lumps or not, as you have to be very careful of choking hazard. If there is nothing, then check the temperature of the puree and serve it to your baby. Repeat the same process to make the puree for pear and plums as shown in the video. Now let's make the puree of avocado. First, cut the ripe avocado into the 2 halves lengthwise. It is very important to choose the avocado and ensure it is ripe enough to offer to your baby. Next, take 1 half of the avocado and cut into small pieces. By the help of a spoon, take off all the avocado as shown in the video and put it into the bowl. And then with the help of the masher or back of the fork, you can mash it until smooth. You can even blend it with the help of the mixer or hand blender. Add boiled water
or breast milk or formula milk, meaning the baby's usual milk, to adjust the consistency and make it to a smooth puree. The creamy avocado puree is ready now. Finally, for the bananas, cut the banana into half and place half of the ripe and peeled banana on a cutting board and put the pieces of banana into the bowl. Now, with the help of the back of the fork, mash the banana until it gets smooth, as shown in the video. Whenever you are preparing any food for your baby, especially the fruits, if you can, try to prepare food just before you need it or serve to your baby, because vitamin C and some vitamin B are gradually lost once food is cut, cooked, exposed to the air and pureed. The more processes fruit and vegetables undergo, the more nutrients they will lose. If you are making enough food for another meal, cool it quickly and pop it in the fridge or freezer. Freezing is the best way to preserve vitamins in the meals you have prepared. Now, let me share with you the benefits of each fruit that I have used in this video. Let's talk about avocado first. Avocado are often called one of the nature's perfect food because they contain so many of the nutrients a person needs to survive and thrive. They are packed with all the vitamins B, vitamin C, a wide array of minerals and lots of brain-building omega-3 fatty acids. Avocado provide our bodies with lots of nutrient support, and they are the perfect first food for babies. Secondly, apple. Apples are yummy, nutrient-dense first food for the babies. They are easy to digest, high in immune-boosting nutrients, and perfectly sweet on their own. There is a proverb of saying, "One apple a day keeps the doctor away." Apples are high in antioxidants that help protect baby and kids from disease and illness. Apples also contain fiber, which help protect baby from diarrhea and constipation. Thirdly, banana. Banana and babies are pretty much synonymous. Banana are sweet, mushy, and easy to digest, so they make a perfect first food for baby. Fourthly, pear. Pear contain a good array of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, that helps to manage the body's balance of fluids, as well as phosphorus, vitamin K, and calcium, which are both needed for healthy bones and teeth. Pears also promote bowel regularity, constipation relief, overall digestive health. Plums. Plums are very nutritious fruit. They are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Additionally, they have several characteristics that may reduce the risk of many chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and so on. Therefore, all the fruits that I have taken in this video are full of essential nutrients for a growing baby, are delicious in their own right. They are super easy to make into a simple baby food puree. Also, they are relatively easy to find in any grocery store. You can mix of these fruits and serve it to your baby who is 7 months or older once you have already given this individual fruit in the month of 6. I have already prepared the video for the diet chart for 6 to 7 months and how to give first food to your baby. So if you are interested, please don't forget to check that video. I will leave the link in the description box below.
If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share as much as you can, and subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon below so that you will be the first person to be notified when we upload any of the future videos. Till we meet in our next video, take care and bye-bye.
Bye.